In Los Angeles, wildfires have become a devastating reality, tearing through communities and displacing families. But amidst the destruction, a new narrative is emerging, one of resilience and innovation. As the city transforms into a smart city, advanced fire detection systems and AI are revolutionizing how we respond to these threats. Imagine drones monitoring fire-prone areas in real time, giving firefighters critical data before a blaze escalates. Community gardens and urban forests are not just beautifying our neighborhoods, they're also creating fire-resistant landscapes. This journey isn't just about technology. It's about people coming together, advocating for equity, and ensuring that every voice is heard in the fight against climate change. Los Angeles is at a crossroads, and the choices we make today will shape our future.